Hi guys, in this video I'd like to do a quick unboxing of the SNS-5P. This is a 5-port Ethernet switch. So inside of the box you're going to get a user manual, you'll get the switch itself and the appropriate power supply. Just want to open up the switch and you can have a look at it. So we have our DC input jack and then we have ports 1 through to 5. Now, there are 4 things I just want you to know about this. Number 1 is this is a gigabit switch. It's backwards compatible to 10100, but it'll work fine with any gigabit device. The second thing is that it's an unmanaged switch. It doesn't have any type of interface for a person to log into and do any kind of advanced configuration. And the third thing is that this is a non-PoE switch. In other words, it will not power up a camera or a voice over IP phone. And lastly, any one of these ports here can be the uplink port. So if you want to get your TV and your decoder connected up, you can connect them up there and then run one cable from here all the way back through to your router. And that's it. It's quite simple and straightforward and should do exactly what you need it to do. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to make them below or get in touch with one of our branches. We'll do our best to help you.